So 30 seconds, right?
Ooh! Oh shit.
There you go. See, you should have capped them on him right there, Max.
Starting to use his head now, finally.
That's what I tell him. I told him back up instead of being so damn close. 30 seconds.
Wow, that's knockout. There you go. Alright, y'all, 10 more seconds.
Finish it off hard.
Go for him, Max. You got 3.